everyone. Welcome to week 5. I appreciate all of your patience with me last week as I was away from my computer for a few days having my oral surgery. I'm still recovering, and I thank you for those of you who sent me a message and checking on me. I really do appreciate that. Just a little update. Earlier today, the bandage, which has been expected to come out of the roof of my mouth, actually came out about an hour and a half or 2 hours ago, and I'm experiencing some new challenges. And so today's video will be pretty brief. We are now in Module 5. The only assignment that we have other than the readings and the resources that I'm providing is a discussion board, so there's not too much going on this week. The one resource that I wanted to show you is the Early Learning Development Guidelines. And so when you go to this site, this is what it will look like. And what I want you to do is just click on each one of these. You could click here or you could click here. They will both take you to the same place. And so you will look at early development across several different time or age frames, and there's not really too much to look at in each one of them, but if you'll click on each one, it will give you a bit of information on the different types of development, and then you can work your way through each one. So just sort of make your way through that. The rest of the resources in this week's module, you just click on them, open them, read them. Here they are. That is the only one where you have to do a little bit of navigating yourself. So I'm going to keep today very brief because with the bandage falling out just a little bit ago, I'm in a little bit of pain right now, and I know I'm talking kind of funny and holding my mouth. My apologies. And so I'm going to keep it brief. There are no other assignments due. Next week, at the end of Module 6, your developmental matrix draft is due. So if you haven't had a chance to look at the video lecturette from last week, please go back and do that. And for those of you who have not yet submitted your research paper topic, there are still several people that I have not been in communication with about that, and I'm still waiting to hear from you via email. If I have approved your topic and put it on the list, please be sure that you go in to Canvas tonight before midnight and actually submit your topic. The list that I'm providing is not your submission, so please go in there. I do need to have a submission from each of you in the grade book, and so you can just copy and paste it into the link to submit. Otherwise, I hope you all have a very nice week. Again, I appreciate your patience with me the past few days and the next couple of days as I continue to heal. I hope you all have a really good week.